Today we're going to be making a Spanish dish, chicken and yellow rice. So we're going to start this. I had already cut up a whole chicken, deboned it for the most part, and I've chopped up my onion and my bell pepper, and I got my garlic. And we're fixing to saute it in a skillet, about probably 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to, I chopped up a medium onion, diced it up. And I diced up a green bell pepper. Now this might have some stages to it, but it'll be worth it. About 2 teaspoons of garlic, maybe 2.5. We're gonna let that saute. We're gonna put just a little bit of salt and pepper in it. It has a Spanish name, but I cannot pronounce it. But it's chicken and yellow rice. And we're gonna let that saute a little bit. I've already, like I said, I used a whole chicken. I cut it up, deboned it, dried it off, well, rinsed it, and then dried it off. Because you don't want that chicken to be wet, because when you put it, we're gonna fry it in some olive oil, and it's gonna splatter all over the place if it's got any moisture in it. So I've got my green peas on the stove simmering, and that's what you put on top of it. You serve it, the rice, the chicken, and then you put green peas on top of it. This cooks for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to start on our chicken. We're going to switch. Okay. We're going to get that hot, and we're going to pour probably 4 or 5 tablespoons of olive oil in here, enough to coat the bottom. We'll start on the chicken and get that going. You're gonna let that chicken brown on both sides. You're gonna take it up, and I'm gonna cook some more. So it'll take a few minutes to do this. Then we're going to dump the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes. We're going to stir that. I'm going to heat up my rice. Dump the rice in there. Now I have a carton of chicken stock. I'm going to pour in there. We're going to heat the rice mixture up. We're just getting it all mixed together. And we will use a little bit more chicken stock. Half a teaspoon of paprika, just a little bit. Then I'm going to pour it into this 13-minute pan. I'm going to add some more chicken stock to the rice. I still have about a half a carton left. You want it a little soupy, but not too soupy, because that rice is going to puff up. Then we're going to take our chicken . Well, I gotta get me some more bay leaf here. I want to get 3 of them. And stick them in the pot. Stick them down in there. We're going to cover it up with foil. And we're going to cook it for an hour. And after an hour, we're going to take it out, take the foil off, and then we're going to put the pimentos on top. We're going to bake it another 15 minutes until it'll be nice and firm and your rice will be fluffy. I learned how to make this dish when we moved to Tampa, Florida, where Kenneth's from, my husband. And his mother made it all the time. Kenneth's dad he ran a restaurant on Bayshore, and the cook gave Elsie, that's my mother-in-law, gave her the recipe. I've taken the chicken and rice out, and it's ready. It is just nicely little brown. The rice has dried up, and this is a beautiful bowl of chicken and yellow rice with peas. So let's get a little taste here. You can taste that olive oil, those peppers, and the pimentos, and it is delicious. The chicken is tender. I hope you try this dish. It's a little bit of work, but it's worth it. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.